Hi, I'm Tiffany, your community manager here at Hacienda Del Rio, an active 55-plus sun community here in glorious Edgewater, Florida. We would love to have you come by and take a look at our community. Can't wait to see you. Do you enjoy fishing? Boating? Well, Hacienda has it for you. With 2 saltwater fishing piers, 3 freshwater lakes, and the glorious Intracoastal Waterway that gives you some of Florida's primetime fishing. And when you're ready to unwind, you can visit one of our swimming pools, saunas, the gym, or even the pickleball court. Here at Hacienda Del Rio, we work hard to create a strong, connected community. So the 15 clubs that we have are perfect for any activity that you're interested in. With a short drive to New Smyrna Beach and Daytona Beach, these areas are known for its abundance in wildlife. So keep your eyes open. We have 2 and 3 bedroom home options here with modern touches and high-end finishes laid out the way you want to live. At Hacienda Del Rio, we're a community you'd be proud to call home. So call today for a tour and let's see where your next adventure takes you.